This is Harper and Diego's standard poodle litter. They're all females. And this little girl here is the purple ribbon female. Just tilt her head up a little bit so you can see her face. There you go. That's the purple ribbon female. And this little one is the lime green and white female. And then we have the turquoise female. Your hand's like blocking her face. Okay. And then I think this is a sable female, but we won't know until we shave the base of her tail to tell. She could also be a brindle. Hi, sweetie. Where do you think you're going? This is the pink ribbon female. Oh, see, I'm going potty. I'm going potty. And that is the orange ribbon female. She's the only one that's sold, is the orange ribbon. Somebody's wanting in from outside. What's wrong? You sleepies? Just chewing your finger.